thought we'd do a quick few sessions of helpful hints, quick tips on how to use your car more successfully. First of all, how to use CarPlay. I've got my phone plugged in down below, and completely hands-free I just say, "Hey Siri, take me home."
Getting directions to home.
It's brought up home, and I just press go. If I'd not pressed go, it would have done that all by itself. But you can also tell it to do other things as well, messaging and music and so forth. So I could send a message to, "Hey Siri, text David Brown."
What do you want to say?
"Doing a road test, old boy, full stop. How are you doing, full stop. Testing out hands-free Apple CarPlay, full stop. Chat later, full stop."
Your message to David Brown says, "Doing a road test, old boy. How are you doing? Testing out hands-free Apple CarPlay. Chat later." Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
But David's message came in when I didn't have the cameras rolling, so if you do miss it, you can just say, "Hey Siri, read last message from David Brown."
David Brown said that would be good. Want to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
You name the time and place, full stop.
Your message says you name the time and place. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
So there's never a need ever again for you to either A, take your eyes off the road, or B, be distracted by even the infotainment system, because you can do it all hands-free.